Hello everyone, welcome to today's yoga practice. So today we'll be doing the practices for the back, tight hamstrings and relax the shoulders a bit more. Slowly stretch the hands up and lock the fingers. Straighten the hands. Slowly drop the left hand down and keeping the right hand straight, gently bend towards the left side. Try to keep the hands straight. Inhale and come up, interlock the fingers and stretch the hands up. Now drop the right hand down, exhale and bend to the right side. Try to keep the hands straight. Try to keep the legs straight. Slowly come back up, interlock the fingers, stretch it up. Once again, drop the left hand, exhale and bend to the left side. Breathe, straighten the hands. Inhale and come up, interlock the fingers, stretch the hands. Extend it, drop the right hand down, exhale and bend to the right side. Try to keep the hands straight, try to keep the knees tight, try to feel the stretch in the sides of the trunk. Come up, stretch up. Lift the heels, extend the hands. And gently drop the hands down and drop the heels down. Now, place the palms on the mat, kneel down. And then slowly stretch back to Shishankasana. Drop the head down. Feel the stretch in the lower back as you sit down on the heels. And just try to loosen the muscles in the neck. Slow down the breath. And then try to feel the stretch in the entire back. As one of the best practices to relax the muscles and feel the stretch in the lower back. Now slowly come up with the palms in the front and the knees down. We're going to do some to and fro movement for loosening the muscles in the back. Inhale and slowly lift the head up and try to look up towards the ceiling. Exhale and hunch your back and try to push the chin in and pull the abdominal muscles in. Once again, inhale and lift the head, concave lower back. Exhale, pull the abdominal muscles in and convex. Inhale and up, lengthen the spine. Exhale and chin in. Once again, inhale and up. Exhale and back. Inhale, up. Exhale, back. Once again, inhale and lift the head up. Exhale and slowly chin in. Join the legs. Slowly sit back and feel the stretch in the lower back. With the head down, relax for a few seconds. Now slowly come up to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Try to lengthen the spine. Try to keep the hands and the legs straight. Slow down your breath. Widen the fingers. Press the palm on the mat and bring the right foot right in between the palms. Try to get the balance. Let the calf muscles and the thighs touch one another. Now interlock the fingers at the back and stretch the hands back. Lift the chest up. Feel the opening up of the shoulders. Now gently drop the hands. Walk the leg back. Now change the other leg. Once again, try to touch the thighs and the calf muscle. Take both the hands back. Interlock the fingers. Stay there. Get the balance. Try to push the hands as much as possible. Feel the expansion in the shoulders. Feel the opening up in the chest. Now drop the hands down. Lengthen the spine and straighten the legs in Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stay there. Straighten the spine. Now once again, bring the right leg in front. Try touching the thighs and the calf muscle. Again, stretch the hands back. Feel the stretch in the shoulders, the neck. Try to get the balance. Try to stay still. Now walk the leg back. Bring the other leg in front. Again, interlock the fingers. Stretch the hands back. Now drop the hands. Now walk the leg back. Lengthen the spine and the legs in Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stay there. Now slide the left leg in front. Let's loosen up the hips a little bit. Try to keep the back leg straight. Keep the palms and lift the chest up. Keep the palms in between the front leg. Now slowly lean forward. You can fold your arms and try resting the forehead, or you can stretch the hands in the front and then drop the forehead down. Feel the stretch in the inner thigh muscles of the right leg. And feel the opening up of the hips on the left side. Completely surrender. Feel the stretch in the entire back. Feel the relaxation of the muscles in the neck. Slowly come back up. Gently bend the back leg and try to catch hold of it, just to feel the stretch in the shin. And slowly release. Now walk the leg back. Lengthen the spine. Now bring the other leg in front. Slide it in. If you can't sit on the mat, if the right buttock is off the mat, you can use a brick or a pillow or a blanket. Keep the back leg straight. Bend the hands. Drop the head. Rest your forehead. Feel the stretch in the root of the thighs. Feel the opening up of the hips on the right side. Now slowly stretch the hands in the front and surrender yourself. Slow down the breath. All these practices aimed today are for you to gently open up the stiffness in the hips, back, and feel the stretch and extension that's very much essential for the hamstrings. Slowly come up. Now bend the back leg. Use your left hand. Try to just catch hold of the foot and try to bend it a little bit. Let the right hand be on the mat. Slowly release and gently walk the leg back. Lengthen the spine in Adho Mukha. Now slowly kneel down. We're going to go for Ustrasana, the camel pose. Keep a little bit of distance between the knees. Keep the palms on the waist with the thumb supporting the lower back. Rest all the fingers pointed in the front. Exhale and slowly lean back. Feel the bending in the lower back, the stretch in the navel, and keep the neck relaxed. Slowly come up, sit down, stretch the hands and drop the head. Relax the lower back and the neck. Slow down your breath. We'll go once again. Again, keep the palms on the waist. Keep the legs straight. Press the ankles and the toes. Exhale and lean back. Push the pelvis in front. Tighten the buttock muscles and gently drop the head back. Slowly come back. Sit down on the heels. Stretch the hands in the front and gently drop the head down. Relax. Now slowly come up. Gently release the legs one at a time. Now bend the right leg. Place the left palm on the knee. Keep the left hand at the back. Lift the chest up and gently turn the neck back. We're going to do some twisting to make the back a bit more supple. Feel the stretch in the entire spine. Now change the leg. Use your right palm. Catch hold of the sides of the knee. Pull the abdominal muscles in. Lift the chest up. And then turn the trunk. Gently turn the neck. Breathe. Slowly come back. Stretch the leg. Now bend the right leg. Keep it on the root of the thigh. Right hand on the waist. Left hand in the front. Now slowly straighten the hand to Parivritta Janu Shirshasana. Try to feel the stretch in the entire right side of the trunk. And try to keep the hands straight. If you can't reach the hands in the front, you can catch hold of the ankle. Feel the stretch in the sides of the trunk and the lower back. This is one of the very best practices if you're suffering from low back aches. Inhale and come up. Stretch the hands. Exhale, drop the hands down. Now change the leg. Bend the left leg. Place the heel to the root of the thigh. Right hand in the front. Left palm on the waist. Lift the chest up first and then slowly straighten the hands. Stretch the hands. Extend the fingers. Stay there. Slowly come up, interlock the fingers, drop the hands down. Now slowly stretch the legs. Now just bend the right leg once, just to loosen up the calf muscles and the knees. Slowly stretch the leg and do the same with the left leg. And then stretch the legs. And then bend the legs in Baddha Konasana. Now lie down on the back. Lift the waist up, support the palms to the lower back, the thumb supporting the lower back and the fingers pointed up. Come up to Setu Bandhasana. Stay there. Try to feel the stretch in the neck, navel, and slowly come down. Pull the leg towards the chest and then slowly stretch the leg. Close your eyes and then raise both the legs up to 90 degrees and then drop them to the right side and then slowly turn the neck to the left. Stay there. Jatara Parivrittasana. Feel the twisting in the abdominal muscles, lower back, and the stretch in the neck. This is one of the best practices to relax the entire spine. And feel the stretch in the hamstrings. Now slowly come back, bend the leg, and then turn to the other side and drop the leg down. Turn the neck to the other side. Even here, feel the stretch in the lower back, the neck, and feel the extension in the armpit. Slowly come up, come back. Once again, move the leg to the right side, turn the neck to the left side. Now feel the stretch in both the shoulders and try to catch hold of the toes. Stay there. Slow down the breath. Relax. Now slowly come back. Change. Move the leg to the other side. Again, try to catch hold of the toes. Turn the neck to the other side and slowly come back. Now stretch the legs in the front. Bring the palms next to the thighs. Eyes closed. Slow down your breath. Relax all the facial muscles. Let go of all the stiffness in the knees, thighs, shoulders, neck, and the hands. And completely surrender yourself. And relax in Shavasana.